Hi guys, greetings to you all. Okay, I would like us to look at the synthetic division. Right, synthetic division is another method that we can use to factorize a polynomial or to look for the remainder when a polynomial is divided by another, or in fact it's lost like from it, even though of using factor theorem or remainder theorem. But synthetic division is used when the divisor is linear. Which means if you are asked, for example, let's say we are on polynomials, yes, polynomials. Now we are asked to divide x cubed minus x squared minus 3x minus 9 divided by x minus 3. Now if I'm to use synthetic division, this is what I will do. Now x minus 3 means that the root is x minus 3 equal to 0, x will be equal to 3. So I put that one here, the root here. Okay. Then what are the coefficients here? The coefficient of x cubed is 1. The coefficient of x cubed here is 1. Is 1 here, of x squared negative 1, negative 3, and the constant term negative 9. So whenever we are using it, we use the coefficients. So what do? The first term goes down. That this one will go down. We have 1 here. Then 3 times 1. You give us 3. We put here. Negative 1 plus 3, 2. We take again 3 times 2, 6. Negative 3 plus 6. Negative 3 plus 6, 3. We take again 3 times 3 here, 9. Negative 9 plus 9 gives us 0. Now this 0 here, this is the remainder when we have ended. So our remainder is 0. So when this polynomial is divided by this, the remainder is 0. That's synthetic division. If you use factor formula, you substitute here through the 2, the remainder will give you 0. Okay, let's have the second example. Let's see how to use synthetic division. We are given a polynomial like this. We are given 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cubed plus x squared minus 7x minus 3. Okay, and that x minus 1 is a factor. We are asked to solve this polynomial knowing that x minus 1 is a factor. Now, to go straight to factorize it using synthetic division, if we are told that that is a factor, then we are going to use synthetic division. This is what we'll do. We'll use that factor, x minus 1. If x minus 1 equals to 0, means x is 1. We have 1 here. Then the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 2. Coefficient of x cubed 7. The coefficient of x squared 1. Coefficient of x negative 7. The constant term negative 3. Now this one comes. The first thing is that the first coefficient here comes down. 1 times 2 is 2. Now 7 plus 2 here 9. 1 times 9 here 9. 1 plus 9 10. 1 times 10 10 here. Negative 3 plus 10 3. 1 times 3 3. So you see that negative 3 plus 3 gives us 0. Which means when this polynomial is divided, it gives us Okay, from here, it means that this polynomial, you know, when you divide a polynomial by degree 1 or degree 4 by degree 1, it gives you degree 3. So when divided, it means the answer is 2. 2 here means 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 10x plus 3. So x4 divided by x minus 1, all of this divided by x, it gives us this. Because when you divide it now, it means the first, since there are 4 values, it means that the first is for cube, the second is for square, third is for x term, and 3 is the constant term. Now, the next step also now will be, since it's if it's a quartic, if it was cubic, this will give quadratic, we'll just factorize. Now, we need to use try and error to check. If we verify here well, you see that x is equal to -1. For us to verify, we start taking 1, -1, -2, 2. You substitute. Now, if you substitute x equals -1 here, the remainder will be 0. If x equal to -1 is a root, it means x plus 1 is a factor. So we use our syntactic division again. We're going to have -1 here. Let me use something different so that we don't get confused. We're going to have -1 here. And what are the coefficients here? 2. Here, 9. Here, 10. Here, 3. Synthetic, this one comes down automatically. Then you take this, -1 times 2, -2, you put a 9 minus 7, minus 2, sorry, 7. -1 times 7, -7. This one gives us 3. -1 times 3, -3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Which means this polynomial has now been factorized to give us x plus 1 times what? This is a factored form. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Okay, you see that the quartic was here, x minus 1. Okay, now if you factorize 2x squared plus 7x plus 3, means you take 2 times 3 will give 6. So 1 plus 6 will give 7, and 1 times 6 will give 6. When you factor out 2x squared plus 7x plus 3, it will give us, so this expression will be x plus 1 into x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So this one has been expressed in 3 factors. Okay, that's said. So if, see, this one was divided by, you say x minus 1 is a factor. We divided, it gave us cubic, and the cubic has given us these 3 factors. It simply implies that the factorized form of this will simply be x minus 1, as it was a factor. Then we have had these other 3 factors, x plus 1 times x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. That gives us 4 factors, because quartic means 4 will give us 4 factors. So that's the easiest way we can use our synthetic division to obtain all those factors. So if for example the question was asked to solve this equation now, x equal to 0, if we are asked to solve equal to 0, this equal to 0, it will simply be all of these factors. Our roots will be 1, -1, -3, x equal to -12. That will be our root. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Remain blessed.